Welcome to Two Legit Reviews. We test real products and give you honest breakdowns, the good, the bad, and whether they're actually worth your money. Just a heads up, product links in this video are affiliate links, which means we earn a small commission at zero cost to you. If you want reviews you can trust, hit that subscribe button. Air fryers are everywhere. Every kitchen has one now, and honestly, most of them do the same thing. But dual zone air fryers? That's the feature everyone wants. Cook two things at once, different temperatures, different times. The problem is, most dual zone models split the basket into two fixed compartments. You lose the big cooking space. The Emphsism 12.69 quart dual zone air fryer solves that with a removable divider. Two zones when you need them, one big basket when you don't. Let's see if it's too legit. Here's the rundown. 1600 watts of power split across two zones. 12.69 quarts total capacity. That's enough for a whole chicken, 30 chicken wings, a 9-inch pizza, or 1,000 grams of fries in a single batch. Temperature range from 120 to 400 degrees, with 5-degree accuracy. 8 cooking presets on a digital touchscreen. And the baskets are non-stick and dishwasher safe. Then let's talk about what actually matters, how it performs in a real kitchen. This is the big selling point, and it's worth explaining. Most dual zone air fryers, like the Ninja Foodie, split the basket into two fixed 6-quart compartments. You can never use the full space as one. The Emphsism gives you a removable divider. Pop it in, you've got two independent zones. Take it out, you've got one massive 12.69 quart basket. Cook chicken wings on one side at 400 degrees and fries on the other at 375. Or take the divider out and roast a whole chicken. Reviewers love this flexibility. One person said it replaced the Cosori because the Cosori couldn't do a single big basket. 12.69 quarts is serious space. This isn't a dorm room appliance. It's designed for families of 4 to 8 or anyone who meal preps. One reviewer said they use it almost daily and it fits a complete meal in one go. The full basket is large enough to prepare everything at once instead of cooking in batches like you would with a smaller fryer. That said, a bigger basket means longer cook times. One reviewer, coming from a smaller air fryer, said it takes about twice as long because there's more space to heat. Plan accordingly. The 1600 watt motor drives 360-degree rapid airflow through both zones. The claimed 30% faster cook time is versus a traditional oven, not versus other air fryers, so manage expectations there. But the cooking results are solid. Reviewers consistently mention food comes out crispy and evenly cooked. The Smart Finish feature is clever. If you're cooking something that takes 20 minutes on one side and 12 on the other, it staggers the start time so both zones finish at the same time. No more juggling timers. The non-stick baskets go straight in the dishwasher. Multiple reviewers mention this as a highlight. Pull the basket out, drop it in, done. But here's the catch. There's no splash guard included, so grease can hit the heating element over time. A few reviewers mention needing to wipe down the interior after heavy use to prevent smoking. Not a deal breaker, but worth knowing. A piece of foil over the heating element helps if you're cooking something greasy. Here's where things get a bit divisive. The touchscreen works fine once you learn it, but the learning curve is real. Multiple reviewers said the interface is odd at first. When you select options, all the LED lights are on and they blink when you pick something. If you want to use Match Cook, you have to make sure the right light is blinking or it's not actually selected. One reviewer said flat out, read the manual. It's not intuitive out of the box, but once you figure it out, it works fine. Just expect a few confused dinners while you learn the buttons. 216 reviews with a 4.6 star rating. That's strong for a newer brand. People love the flexibility of the removable divider. The size comes up again and again. Families especially appreciate being able to cook everything at once. One reviewer who's owned multiple air fryers, including a Cosori, said this one replaced it because of the single basket option. Build quality gets praised too. One person called it beautifully designed and built tight. For under $130, the consensus is that it punches above its weight. No product is perfect. The interface learning curve is the #1 complaint. If you're coming from a simpler air fryer with a couple of knobs, this will feel like piloting a spaceship at first. The bigger basket means longer preheat and cook times compared to compact models. No splash guard means you need to stay on top of cleaning the heating element or you'll get smoke. And one reviewer mentioned their first Emphsism unit lasted about 18 months. They bought a second one because they liked it. But long-term durability is a question mark at this price point. This is for families who are tired of cooking in batches. If you've got a 4 to 8 person household and want to make wings, fries, and veggies all at the same time, this is your machine. It's also great for anyone upgrading from a single zone fryer who wants dual zone flexibility without losing the big basket option. But if your kitchen counter is already crowded or you only cook for 1 or 2, this is overkill. Measure your counter space before you order. It's 12+ quarts and it takes up real estate. At $149, the Emphsism delivers a feature that even the big brands don't offer: a removable divider that lets you go from dual zone to single big basket in seconds. The cooking performance is solid, cleanup is easy, with dishwasher-safe baskets, and 216 reviewers give it 4.6 stars. The trade-offs are the learning curve on the controls, no splash guard, and questions about long-term durability. But for the price, it's a compelling option for families who want flexibility without spending Ninja money. Link to the Emphsism Dual Zone Air Fryer is in the description. Full specs and current pricing on Amazon. If this kind of honest review helped you make a decision, hit that like button and drop a comment. Subscribe to 2 Legit Reviews. We've got more like this coming. See you in the next one.